channel. Yan. At today's video mga friendship, another unboxing na naman ang gagawin natin today. Yan. I'm so happy because I got my professional camcorder na pang vlog natin mga friendship. I'm so happy. Yan. This is it pansit. Yan. For sure. Our video, it's more high resolution. Yan. Please mga friendship, support for watching my videos. Yan mga friendship. And don't forget to subscribe. Oh my God. I'm so excited to open it. So to the highest level na. This is it. Oh, again, another bubble. Oops, put the box here. Oh my God. Wow, it's so cute. Video camera. Yay, this is the bag. It's so cute. Wow! Yay! Yan. It's so good. Oh, this is it mga friendship. It's so tiny. Yan. Yan, makakapag-video na tayo ng maganda ang resolution using the high definition mga friendship. Yan. I'm so happy kasi meron siyang kasamang remote. Yan. Kahit mag-isa na tayo, makakapag-vlog na tayo. It's because this one is connected through Bluetooth. Yan. Ang ating camcorder, mga friendship. Yan. Diba? Yan, mga friendship. At meron tayong USB charger. Yan, mga friendship. Dito ko natatapusin ang aking unboxing. Yan. I'm so happy. And for sure, you're so happy kasi magkakaroon na tayo ng high quality video every day. Ito yung gagamitin natin sa pag-upload ng vlog. Yeah, mga friendship. Please support my YouTube channel. And please don't forget to press the red button, subscribe. And hit the notification bell button to be updated to my all new videos. And see you all to my next vlog. Goodbye!